Hey everyone, we're those four brown girls, and we're going to be reacting to 4 minutes clothing.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know.
She went like forever. 4 minute. 4 minute. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, shoes are nice.
I know, right? Cornell.
I know, I was looking at that.
I've never seen that before.
Is it the little design?
It looks like it's like
That looks cool though.
I like her
Oh, she
outfit.
looks so
Yeah.
nice.
I like this hairstyle.
I know.
It's too fair. And she actually looks nice.
Yeah.
Usually they make her look horrible. Even though she's so pretty.
Ken always looks good.
Always.
You can like she's always looks good.
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
Soothing.
Yeah. It's like a sad song, but
They sound like they're in a lot of pain.
Her legs.
Ooh, the
for everything.
feels.
For everything.
She looks so good.
I like this part too.
Her outfits are really unique.
Yeah.
I like her.
I like her outfit a lot, yeah.
Yo, we haven't seen
I like the hat.
the manga yet.
Yeah, she hasn't shown me.
Apparently she's barely in the music video. I saw
Oh,
some
she?
comments. Yeah.
She still hasn't shown me.
Cause I've seen the 4 of them, but she's probably rapping. Is she? She sings and raps. So. I like how they're like making like they'll focus on one member, then all switch on to the other member.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is. Her part's totally funny. She's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, she looks so good.
What's so different with the hair?
I love her voice.
Yeah, at least her like it's still
Yeah.
decent.
You know,
Compared
Compared to
to
what she did put her in before.
You were saying?
her voice.
They all look so like comfy.
Yeah.
Like, well, somewhat.
Like smiling
Certain
forward.
ones. Certain
Your
ones.
stomach.
Certain ones.
That was really emotional.
Yeah.
Really sad.
Oh. But you know what? Guyan's personal Guyan. I got her name right, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I always mess up on names. Her voice, really good.
Yeah.
But I feel like her and
Gia?
Or
both
The
of
one
them
with the
had like
front
more
leg.
parts than the other members.
It's because they're the vocals of the group, right? Because then Kiana and Sojan had the rap part. Jihan had kind of like the middle part.
Someone knows how to sing.
Which they usually put her more as the rapper.
I have one.
Maybe in the next song they're just gonna have more of the.
Because I guess for a ballad they wanted to concentrate on the vocals, right?
Yeah.
So they can. And the thing is, Jiyoon and Gagan, they don't really get much
Part.
camera time
Oh.
usually.
I really like this
That was
song.
really nice.
It was really like
It's nice and
calm.
calming.
Yeah.
Like it's raining outside. It's
And
nice
there's like
for a
cold
rainy
rain in
day.
the video.
It's nice to listen to.
Like, but it's a song that you would listen to when it's raining. It's like a very nice, mellow, and
Like with
Sad.
the cup of tea and
All
like,
cuddled up.
oh,
How half of them were in the video.
yeah, that was our reaction to 4MINUTE, and they're having a comeback, so it's crazy. Yeah, we recorded this really late, so yeah.
very, very late.
So next
Stuff
week is
happens.
crazy. So we'll see how it's completely different from this, from what I've seen.
Yeah.
Pictures are completely different, so we'll see how that goes.
And that was our reaction. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. What's up, people? And our Twitter will be in the description box below, so make sure to follow us. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Ooh, I remembered.